Ernest, well, I think this is just the best book out there right now. It's just too good.
Hey Dale, know anything about this?
A little book? No, I don't know anything about a little book. We're doing book club here. Oh my God!
This isn't just some little book, okay? This is my diary.
Aren't men supposed to call them journals?
Some men, not all men, okay? Journals are for thoughts, diaries are for secrets.
Okay, well, I didn't read your diary. None of us did.
No, reading is one thing, but someone's been adding words to my entries.
Really? That sounds strange, Ryan. Awful strange. Are there any examples?
February 16th, 2012. Dear Diary, today I was at the grocery store. I let an old lady cut in front of me because she had a few items. And then I got a huge boner and banged her on the checkout counter. Really?
Sounds like a productive day, Ryan.
That didn't happen.
But it's in the book.
February 22nd, 2012. Dear Diary, I can't sleep. The night terrors are back. Dale is the best. If I just realized that, maybe I'd get some sleep. You're adding that, Dale. That's you.
No, that's you. It's good to see you coming to terms with the truth.
March 10th, 2012. Dear Diary, today was my dog Carver's birthday. I dressed him up like a little banana. He's my best friend. And then I got a huge boner and banged him on the checkout counter. Really, Dale? Come on, this is just lazy.
You know, Ryan, I don't want to hear about your bestiality right now. We're trying to get to the end of this book. Jughead's got a sandwich. He's going to throw it at Mr. Weatherby. It's getting to be... Oh, come on, Ryan. A penis, dude? Come on, man.
Hey, you did the same thing to me.
I didn't. I used words. Caring, passionate, loving words. This is just immature pee-pee stuff.
Hey, man, I traced that dick.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, all up in your Archie.
Can we do this later? We're trying to wrap up book club here.
No, man. Justice needs to be served.
Can we serve justice later? I'm trying to fuck Mrs. Carruthers here.
Oh, this Mrs. Carruthers?
No, this is Mrs. Carruthers. You just killed the mayor.
Mr. Mayor.
It's his birthday again?
Yep, we celebrate his birthday monthly. It's his 3 years, 7 months birthday.
That's a lot of birthdays.
And a lot of spankings. I mean, I don't spank the dog. Okay. What's up, you fuck? Why'd you write in this fucking thing?
Yeah, here we go.
Break between gigs. That's a lot.